Hi campers, this is Logan Gregory at Country Camper, and I'm joined by Ethan Winkler today. We're here to talk about reflection and the new solid stance that's featured on the standard aluminum stairs. So many of you are familiar with these. These have come on campers for decades, and then other manufacturers have now produced these steps that kind of come out. They call them the solid steps, and they're adjustable. Now, Grand Design, a company that always listens to their customers, heard that there was some instability on these steps as people were kind of running in and out on the campsite. So they wanted to find a way to add stability, and I believe that they have with this new solid stance. So I'm going to turn it over to Ethan, and he's going to talk about this amazing new feature that's on these reflections with these standard aluminum steps.
So Logan hit the nail on the head with them listening to the customers and hearing what they have to say over the years of being on the service side. My recommendations before they came out with this new step system was putting a block under it, so that way every time you go into the trailer or step out, you're not shaking the trailer. So if you come down here to the bottom step, you got two pins that will pull out, and then you're going to fold out, and depending on the pitch or the grade, these are adjustable, and these pins will come right back in to this yellow leg, and it's going to hold in place and then make contact with the ground, so that way you are not rocking the trailer back and forth every time you go in and out. Just like that. So then, when you stand on it, frame's not twisting, trailer's not shaking, no one knows you're coming in and out.